What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I've got a quick fix for you if you're trying to complete the faction quests under Hanan Politics, the Bandits of Anvil Hill. You're stuck on just one step, which is defeat the enemies around the bandits camp, and you're unable to proceed/finish it. Here's how you fix it and get the missing step if you haven't got it. What you'll need to do is head back to the Wild Raiders camp, located right over here, just under Demonis and Hanan, zooming in this spot over here, and it'll be heading up towards the north. After you've cleared it out, that is. There's no raiders left here. We'll be heading up the road towards the north, all the way over to here, which you can now see a marked spot on. This isn't there until you magically decide to travel over there. This quest just stops dead in its tracks right over here until you wander up north, and then you find that spot. I'm pretty sure this quest is bugged, as it should definitely be doing something like that, but for some reason, it just didn't for me, and likely you too. When you get to this location, you'll find someone you can interact with over here. So there we go. And you're now able to proceed with this quest as soon as you find the right angle to speak to him. But yeah, there you go. Now you can see a third step here, defeat enemies around the camp. If we mark it just by selecting it, it takes us up north towards the Wild Raiders outpost now. You might be able to head straight to that and clear it out, maybe not, but yeah. Once you clear out this next spot, it's completed this quest completely, and that's that. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.